여러분 안녕하세요. Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to introduce yourself in Korean both in formal and informal way. Korean 존댓말 means honorifics or formal speech, while 반말 means informal speech. The literal meaning of 반말 is half language. 존댓말 is used while talking to people are older than you or people are higher status than you, also with strangers. The 반말 is used when people are younger than you and with your close friends and family members like siblings. Okay, now let's jump into the main topic. First, we will learn how to introduce ourselves in formal way. 안녕하십니까? Hello. 제 이름은 레베카입니다. My name is Rebecca. 제 이름은 입니다. Just put your name in the blank. 처음 뵙겠습니다. Nice to meet you. 저는 22살입니다. I'm 22 years old. Just put your age in the blank. 저는 미국에서 왔습니다. I'm from America. 저는 에서 왔습니다. I'm from. Just put your country's name in the blank. If you are from Japan, say 저는 일본에서 왔습니다. India. 저는 인도에서 왔습니다. Bangladesh. 저는 방글라데시에서 왔습니다. China. 저는 중국에서 왔습니다. If you are from Philippines, 저는 필리핀에서 왔습니다. 저는 학생입니다. I'm a student. 저는 의사입니다. I'm a doctor. 제 취미는 새로운 언어를 배우는 것입니다. My hobby is learning new languages. 저는 서울에서 살고 있습니다. I live in Seoul. 저는 한국어를 7년째 공부하고 있습니다. I have been studying Korean for 7 years. Now we will learn in a standard or polite way. 안녕하세요. Hello. 저는 헬렌이에요. I'm Helen. 저는 레베카예요. I'm Rebecca. If your name ends in a vowel, use 에요. And if it ends in a consonant, use 예요. 제 이름은 헬렌이에요. My name is Helen. 제 이름은 레베카예요. My name is Rebecca. 만나서 반가워요. Nice to meet you. 저는 22살이에요. I'm 22 years old. 저는 방글라데시에서 왔어요. 저는 학생이에요. I'm a student. 제 취미는 등산이에요. My hobby is hiking. 저는 한국어를 7년째 공부하고 있어요. I have been studying Korean for 7 years. Okay guys, now we will learn how to introduce ourselves in Korean in informal way. 안녕. Hello.
난 헬렌이야.
I am Helen. In 존댓말, all the particles must be used, but in 반말, you can omit them by keeping the meaning same or constant.
반가워.
Nice to meet you.
나는 22살이야. 나는 방글라데시에서 왔어.
To make a sentence informal, you just have to cut the last yo form from the polite sentence.
난 학생이야. I'm a student.
내 취미는 등산이야. My hobby is hiking.
서울에서 살고 있어.
Well, you must be wondering where should I use ia and ya. When the word ends in a consonant, use ia, and when the word ends in a vowel, use ya. Please be careful while using 반말 or impolite form. Use it depending on the relation, like how close you were to someone. It can be offensive and rude if you start speaking to someone you don't know in informal language. So it's very important to learn to speak in polite language. Okay, this is it for today. Hope you guys find this lesson helpful. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment below. See you next lesson. Bye bye.